Hello guys, my name is Prince and this is Smart Center. Subscribe to my YouTube channel for more videos. Post your comments and questions on my social media handles and I'll respond to it. We are still on the topic indices. In the previous video, we solved the question by applying the laws and principles of indices. In this video, we are going to solve another question. So let's look at the question for this video. Square root of 36 x exponent minus 3 y exponent 3 divided by 4 x exponent 3 y exponent minus 3. And we are supposed to simplify this expression here. We learned from the properties of indices that whenever you have a number or a term under a square root sign, is equal to that number or term raised to the power half. So we can write what is under the square root sign here in a bracket, then we bring the exponent half on it, as you can see here. Now, I'm going to group them so that I will be able to simplify. So I'll group the numbers and the letters. This will give me 36 divided by 4 times x exponent minus 3 divided by x exponent 3 times y exponent 3 divided by y exponent minus 3 raised to the power half, or exponent half. 36 divided by 4 will give us 9. We learned from the laws of indices that if you have two numbers or two terms written in the index form and these two numbers are dividing, you write one of the bases and you subtract the exponents. So we are going to subtract the exponent of the denominator from the exponent of the numerator. So here we are going to have x exponent minus 3 minus 3. Then times, we have the same thing here. So we write one of the bases, which is y, and we subtract the exponents. We subtract the exponent of the denominator from the exponent of the numerator. So this will give us 3 minus 3, which is 3 plus 3. We still have the exponent 1 over 2 here. So if we are simplifying, this is going to give us 9 times x exponent minus 3 times, x exponent minus 6 times y exponent 6 raised to the power half, just as we have here. We learned from the properties of indices that if you have something like this, we can distribute half to each of the numbers or terms here. So in doing that, we are going to have 9 exponent 1 over 2 times x exponent minus 6 times 1 over 2. Because we have minus 6 here, when you give the half to this, it's going to multiply the minus 6. So x exponent minus 6 times 1 over 2 times y exponent 6 times 1 over 2. Now, what do we do here? We are going to write 9 in the exponent form. We are going to write 9 in the index form such that we can simplify. So in doing that, if you write 9 in the index form, you are going to have 3 exponent 2, or 3 squared. So 3 squared is 9. We already have 1 over 2 here. So 3 exponent 2 times 1 divided by 2. Okay, we can see from here that 2 will cancel itself 1 and cancel 6 3 times. In the same way, 2 will cancel itself 1 here and cancel 6 3 times also. Okay, so it means that you are going to have 3 exponent 2 times 1 over 2 times, when you come here, 2 cancel itself 1 and cancelled here 3 times. So you are going to have minus 3 times 1, which will give us minus 3. So we have x exponent minus 3 times, here so we have 3 times 1, which is 3. So we have y exponent 3, as can be seen here. Just as we did for the step here, too you are going to cancel 2 and 2. And in doing that, we are going to have 3 exponent 1, because 2 and 2 are gone, times 3 exponent x exponent minus 3 times y exponent 3. We learned from the properties of indices that any number exponent 1 is the same number, so we have 3 here. We also learned that x exponent minus 3 can be written as 1 divided by x exponent 3. So just as you've seen here, x exponent minus 3 can be written as 1 divided by x exponent 3 times y exponent 3. We know from fractions that any number that stands alone is divided by 1. So 3 here is 3 divided by 1. And in the same way, y here is y divided by 1. So we are going to multiply the numerators and we multiply the denominators. So we have 3 times 1 times y exponent 3. And that will give us 3y exponent 3. Then at the denominator part, we have 1 times x exponent 3 times 1, which will give us x exponent 3. So it means that if we simplify the fraction, so if we simplify the expression, we are going to have 3y exponent 3 divided by x exponent 3. Thank you for watching this video. Don't forget to like and subscribe to this channel for more videos. In the next video, we are going to study how to solve exponential equations. Bye-bye.